Now here's the old chicken coop. As you can see, it started sliding down the hill. The posts are leaning. I stuck some block under there just to hold it in case it fell. This is way too big for what I need. Anyway, I'm only going to get like 20 chickens. So I started tearing some of the siding off. Got the doors off. Got all the electric out of the inside. There's the siding off the front. Try to get all this siding off, and then most of the 2x4s out on the walls. Then I'm going to just push it over with the tractor, let the roof fall on the ground. Then I can tear the floor off and start rebuilding. Well, I got it all the way down to the floor. I got a pile of stuff here. And a big pile of stuff over here. Some of it I can reuse. Some of it's going to get burnt. Now we've got to figure out how to get this floor out of here. I think I'm just going to hook my winch to it and flip it over. Get it out of my way. Some of the plywood's rotted, so you can't really reuse it. So let's see what happens. Well, got the old chicken coop all tore down. Got it cleared out here. Starting to dig my post holes for the new one now. No matter where you dig a hole out here, you always end up hitting rock. And by golly, I've hit probably 1 or 2 in every hole I've dug so far. I got 1.5 more holes to dig, then I can start getting the concrete mixed up and get them all filled in. Here's what she looks like. Right there's the rock I'm trying to get out of that hole right there right now. These, this one's done. This one's done. This one's done. That one's done. I'm going to use that existing support right there that was from the old one. I got one to dig here in the middle. Then I'm going to use that existing one over there. So by doing that, instead of a 12 by 16 building, this one's going to be 12 by 8. Then I'm actually going to extend the roof out on the back of it, all the way back, and set posts at these existing supports already concreted from the existing building, here and here. And I'm going to fence this all in around this side. And this will be a little run for them in the back of the chicken coop. Plus, they'll be able to get underneath the chicken coop. So it's actually a 12 by 16 run, all fenced in. That way they can get out anytime they want. When I'm home, I could actually open the door and let them out in free range. So that's the plan. Get these posts all dug and concreted and start building this thing. Okay, I got all my concrete poured. I'm going to reuse that one. Got that one in the middle. That one on the end. That one in the middle of the front. The other side. This is actually going to be 12 by 8 when it's done. And then off this end here, I'll probably set another post right in this area. Put a door right here to get into the run. This is all going to be the run around this way to this side. Okay, we'll let that concrete harden up and we'll be able to start setting posts.